Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking a reputable Smart DNS provider and grabbing the 2 DNS server IPs they give you. This is what reroutes geochecks without VPN overhead. Next, make sure your LG TV is online and note its model and firmware so settings menus match. Once done, connect the TV to your network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and keep the remote and your Wi-Fi password close. These prerequisites minimize surprises and let you change DNS immediately in the TV network settings. Now perform the core change. Open Settings, go to Network, and select your active connection. Choose Advanced or Manual IP settings. Switch DNS from automatic to manual so you can paste the provider's primary and secondary IPs. Make sure you do not change the IP address or gateway unless instructed by your provider. After entering DNS, save and restart the network connection on the TV. Then open the streaming app to verify content availability. If it fails, recheck the DNS entries for typos. To finish, power cycle both the TV and your router so cached DNS data is cleared and new settings take effect. If the app still shows regional content, clear its cache or uninstall and reinstall the app because many streaming apps cache location data. If problems persist, switch to the provider's alternative DNS addresses and reboot again. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, recheck firmware and use Ethernet. Wired connections reduce DNS leakage and give more reliable results when testing Smart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.